Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a process video, just making a few bag toppers. So I'm going to make 3 bag toppers. 2 of them I used a cut file and I just cut them out. So these will be layered like this and then we will decorate. And then this one is a doily die that I cut out. So I will have this linked down below, but I love this one so much and it makes such cute bag toppers. So I will have that linked down below for you guys as well. And I'll have this file linked down below as well. And I'm just going to be using the Flourish collection. Oh, by the way, this was the die. This is what it looks like. It comes with these 4 pieces. So I'll have it linked down below for you guys. But anyway, I'm using the Flourish collection. So I have my ephemera, I have my stickers, I have my chipboard, and I have puffy stickers somewhere. Oh, wait, hold on. And I got my puffy stickers. I got thread for layering. I got my foam, and I have some glue, and then I have my hot glue gun on as well. So it's just going to be a process video. I'm just going to lay everything out first of how I think I want it to go, and then we'll just start gluing everything down together and adding the details, and then later some gemmies and stuff too. So I'll just put on some background music, and I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. You guys said you guys wanted more, so here you have it. Also, please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below, and then that way you guys will be notified when I post new videos. Alright guys, and let's get started into my process video.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far.
I felt the heat the moment he pressed his
control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on you making the waves. You and I will never be safe, be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down? I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on you making the waves. You and I will never be safe, be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up, I'm too great to be landed. Rise up, we're too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us, fly man, I'm like choppers, better cook those risks, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys. Rise, cutting my size, trying to make sense of it all comprised. Yeah, highs, been in these skies. Never stuck down, feeling paralyzed, but I'm up now. We all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming, I'ma lift them all. Never look down when this risk involved. I got guts, got a lot, I gotta wish it all. Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up, rise up.
Alright guys, so I finished my 3 bag toppers. I like to take my time when I make these, so making process videos is fun for me because I get to take my time and you guys just get to see the whole process. So here is one of the bag toppers that I made. I have some puffy stickers, I have some stickers, some chipboard hearts, and then some enamel dots that I added and some thread. So it turned out really cute. There's the layers here. I wanted to do 2 here, but then 2 wasn't looking right. So I ended up with 3 like foam pieces here, but it's okay. So anyway, this is just a cute little bag topper, and then this would go on, you know, whatever baggie. Here's one I made with the cut file. So this one was the doily die, and this is the cut file. So there's this one, and I layered this little housey, then this one, and everything is like popped up on foam. I did a whole bunch of layers. We did this thread here as well, the gold thread, and then I added in these glitter gemmies, just, you know, add a little bit of accents. So that's how this one turned out. I really like it too. I love them all. Oh my gosh, I love making bag toppers. They're so fun. And then here is the last one. So I have a flower chipboard. Then I have this sticker with some butterflies, and then I did another chipboard here that says remember this. I have some of these glitter gemmies as well. I have a butterfly here, and behind the butterfly is the thread. And then I have another gemmy here, and then at the very bottom I have this puffy sticker that's like little leaves and stuff. And yeah, this is also layered and dimensional. They all are. I like to make everything dimensional, as you guys could see. But yeah, those are my 3 bag toppers. I think they turned out really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed following along on this process video. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.